how much. You just have to pull in hard.
I have Christy's number.
Okay. Yep, they got your order and ship tight.
Yeah, we gotta call SO Urban County.
So we'll just head down to the base.
And they may not want us to, but
yeah. Seems kind of silly not for us not to, I think.
And
if they got flames and everything else showing, then it's probably a good fire.
let me see if I have Wendy's number in here too, right? No, I don't. But I also, I'm on until 8. Well,
Yeah.
call them. I did have it in my old phone, but then, like I said, my other phone,
The engine.
my other phone fell, and the screen started like a whole bottle of ink decided to look like it had poured down the front of it. So.
Please.
165, but where at the 165? Structure fire. Flames coming out the top.
Honestly, if we're at the 173, I should be able to see smoke from it. I don't see the smoke. Did they tell me they fucking did not? Okay.
What?
Oh, I was about to use it. I was like, oh, tell me they did not park in front of the pay. They didn't.
They better not be parking in front of the bay.
Well, when I first looked, that's where I thought they were parked, was right in front of the bay. So that's why I was like, oh no.
They should not be parking in front of the bay.
Yeah. Shouldn't, but you never know. Well, I just left the end.